What's up, guys? It's Jose with Barrera Family Loft, and today I'll be showing you guys some of my youngsters that are going off to one loft races in a week or two. Sending out to Black Gold, Cuevas, Louisiana Perch, and Royal Cup. Hey, come here. So this is the first one I'll be showing you guys. So the plan is I already have all the youngsters assigned to their one loft races. So I'm gonna show you guys the Royal Cup ones first. I'm gonna send two. This is JBP number 60. It's a really nice grizzle. Very excited about this pair. His parents. I've won at Hoosier, Peach. I've pair from this pair everywhere. So I'm really excited to see how they fly. Yeah, just a really nice grizzle. He's ready. He's ready. He's ready. He's ready. All right, let's put you back. This one's a little young, but like I said, they're gonna go in like a week or two. This one is JBP number 63. 63 JBP. Really nice. This bird has best kiddo and black power in it. Really nice. So yeah, these are the two birds that are gonna represent me at Royal Cup this year. So these next birds are the ones I'm gonna be sending out to Black Gold. And this first one is this nice blue bar. It has so his mother's a recessive red, and you can see how he has a little bit on him. Would you consider this a blue bar still? Yeah, right. But anyways, it's this is the number is JBP number 55. This next one is really nice one. This one is JBP number 56. JBP number 56. My favorite ones that I'm gonna be sending out this next group. The third one I'll be sending out to Black Golds is this blue bar right here. The number is JBP. JBP number 62. JBP number 62. Really nice blue bar. This one's off my champion at. A ver, vente pues. That's a different youngster that just wanted to come out, so just letting her out. So this one is JVP number 62. This one's off of my champion from Texas, the one I activated from America's average speed, America's champ. Oh shoot, what's it called? America's average speed championship. There we go. So from my champion from there, and the mother is first place at Central Valley one loft race. So this one's the other one going to Black Gold. Now I'm gonna show you guys the three birds that I'm gonna send to Louisiana Perch. Tranquila, chula. So I already have 6 birds over there with Kyle, but you know he's doing a really good job. So I want to send another 3, and this is the first one. This one's nest mate to the black grizzle that I showed you guys that's going to black gold. But this one came out blue bar. This one is JBP number 57. Really nice blue bar. Really happy with that pair and how the babies came out. The second one I'll be sending out to Louisiana Perch, one of the younger ones. This is JBP number 64. Oh, JBP 64. Still a little young, but here he is. The third bird I'll be sending out to Louisiana Perch is JBP number 66. This nice blue bar. Whoa. Oh, yeah, yeah. Why do you guys keep doing that? So this blue bar is off my teacher Celia, who raced at the Hoosier Classic last year. Yeah, just a really nice bird. You know what? I changed my mind mid-video. This is the nestmate of the last one I showed you guys of the son of teacher Celia. But this is the daughter. Now, I already sent a daughter to the Hoosier of teacher Celia, but I really like this one. And, you know, she was going to go to Cuevas, but I think I'm going to send her to Hoosier since they extended it 1 week. I think I'm going to send another one. I think so. Yeah, I have to. Yeah. So this is going to Hoosier, teacher Celia. So I don't have my Cuevas birds ready. My full team of 3. I only have 2. So I'll save that for another video. Um, but yeah, guys, I showed you guys my next Louisiana birds, my black gold and Royal Cup, and hopefully I could get birds for Cuevas and AGN. Those are the last 2, and then some late hatches like Golden Valley, Florida Pigeon Derby, and Gator. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. I'm really happy, really happy with how this group came out, and you know I can't wait to see them compete against all the other birds at the races. You know it's gonna be a good year. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.